Open the dishwasher and locate the detergent dispenser on the inside of the door. If the lid is closed, press the lever on the bottom side of the lid to open the dispenser. The dispenser cup has 2 fill lines marked 15 and 25. The amount of detergent needed depends on the cycle, load size, and soil level of the dishes. For normal, everyday loads, fill the detergent dispenser cup midway between the 2 lines. It is important that you only use detergent intended specifically for use in dishwashers. For lightly soiled dishes or soft water conditions, it is recommended to fill the dishwasher detergent up to the first line, marked 15. For heavily soiled dishes or hard water conditions, it is recommended to fill the dishwasher detergent up to the second fill line, marked 25. Using excess detergent can leave a film on dishes and in the dishwasher, resulting in poor wash performance. After filling the dispenser cup, close the lid. If you would like to add detergent to the pre-wash, fill the pre-wash compartment located on the lid of the dispenser.